Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app or Redfin app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first. So you just go down, you click here on my Redfin, just click on it here. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You come here to settings, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. You click here on app notifications. So then it's going to take you to next step here, click here on types of notifications here. So then you come here to sort listings here, just clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that means sort listings notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.